Hi, and welcome back to Chronic Candy Taste Test. Today is going to be the red, this red shirt. So this is just me telling you what it tastes like. I'm just gonna take this a little bit off. It's got a nice strawberry taste. Hi, what do you want? Come smell it. You want to smell it? You gotta get on camera. Two guesses on who that was. Leave a comment below. Who you thought that was? I'll let you know if you get it right. I might do the live stream later. I know how I'm feeling on this. It's got a very nice strawberry taste. It's not overly sweet. It's not too strong of a strawberry. I mean, you can't smell it. I mean, you can taste it. And like I said, it's supposed to be happiness. So we'll see how happy I am after I eat this. Strawberry. Well, it's backwards for you, but sorry. I got these at my local tobacco store. I don't know if you've seen the price, but they got them for $1.99 a piece. Or you can go to chroniccandy.com and you can get them in bulk if you want. But yeah. I like to taste this one. And we'll see how I feel in like about an hour or so. I'll do a live stream telling you how I feel. Alright. Peace, love, and harmony to everyone. Bye.